everybody. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm back with another video. So let's get this started. Today I'm gonna be talking about a couple of products, and from the title y'all can see it's an unboxing. I know I haven't been on here in a little while, but I appreciate y'all for sticking with me through this. I'm gonna try to post more content for you guys, but today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of these products that I bought. No, this is not sponsored. I'm doing this because I want to. Excuse the mess in the background, but we're gonna jump right into this. I'm doing an unboxing for the Luxskin products. So I've been seeing like a lot of ads online about these products, well, all of these products, and I thought they were at a good, reasonably priced range for what their accommodations are. So I thought I'd just get, a couple of things. So first off, the first thing I bought, this is why, the real reason why I went online and bought the product in the first place, because I seen this and I've been trying to work on my summer body. No, we don't want to miss this hot girl summer, so no, I'm just playing. But I bought this product. It's the Luxskin body sculpting hand set. You can see here, I don't know if that's backwards to you guys because I'm filming with the camera face forward, but the body sculpting hand set was the main thing that I wanted to get. So I just bought these. I haven't opened them yet, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here we got the pamphlet, Luxskin body sculpting hand set user manual. It teaches you how to use it and gives you the safety tips. So basically this is supposed to be like a heated massager, like a handheld heated massager. You use it on your waist, your stomach, your legs, arms, chest, neck. I didn't even know you can use it on your chest, but okay. Or your neck for that matter. Cause I think when I first saw it, the main thing that I saw that it does is that it's used for people who's doing like the body sculpting. As y'all seen that it's become really popular these days for the girls who want to slim up or tone up. They use the body sculpting heater guns to like massage the fat, and it's supposed to like burn it off or whatever. And it helps to use while you're working out and stuff. So that's the main reason why I bought it. So it tells you like you use the massager, you massage it up and down motions, left to right, to the side of the abdomen, the right side for about 5 minutes. So what I'm seeing is repetition here. So it's like 5 minutes for each massage that you do, whether it be the legs, arms, chest, and I heard that it's supposed to help with skin toning and tightening. So for those ladies out there who might have your tiger stripes and you have cellulite or whatever the reason may be, and this is supposed to help. So safety tips is never to use on dry skin. Avoid using during your pregnancy, menstruation, or lactation. Avoid using on skin areas where you have inflammation, sunburns, or conditions such as rosacea. And fun fact, I used to have rosacea when I was a child, but it's gone now. So that was around when I was like 12 years old, so it's gone. Avoid using the face and other sensitive areas, which is kind of weird because it says that you can use it on the neck, and I've seen videos on Instagram where people was using it on their face, but I guess if you have sensitive skin, they're just saying be precautious, I guess, of using it on your face. So yeah, don't use it on the same body part for more than 5 minutes per session. So technically I guess you can use it too much, so you don't want to overdo that. If you have implants or plastic surgery, then consult a doctor before using near the area. So this must get really hot for the girls who got them plastic, tatas. You don't want to melt your implants if you don't have natural fat transfer, I guess. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but it did say handheld. But like from the videos that I seen, It usually seemed like the girl was holding something like really big, like at least this big, but it's this small. See, it looks a lot bigger on camera, but y'all see the size of my hand. It's like in the palm of my hand. But I guess that helps. But I was hoping it would be bigger so it can cover more area, but you know, it is what it is. So this is it. I see it has 2 settings. It says Sonic and RF plus EMS. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah. And so I guess you turn it on here. Oh, this is the Sonic setting. It's blue. It's vibrating. And this is the RF plus EMS setting. And I guess you can have them, it has 3 different levels. I just turned the Sonic setting off and the light turned red. So it has 3 different settings. If I turn the Sonic on, I think it's on both of them at the same time. So it's like a pinkish purple color. And if I turn off the RF EMS settings, it's just blue. So there you go. And it vibrates. It has like 3 levels. I think the redness gets even redder. As you can see, the 3 dots. I don't know if you guys can see that. The 3 dots at the bottom. You can barely see it. It's like 3 dots, like indicators right here. And that's that. So as I'm using this, guys, I'm gonna start using it like very often, like an everyday thing. And I want you guys to track my progress with me as I go on this weight loss journey. So we're gonna do this together. So that's that. And then I also bought their Luxskin IPL laser hair removal. I thought, am I holding this up there? I thought this would be a good buy just because I'm a big firm believer in waxing, and I've never done laser hair removal before in my life, like professionally, and I'm kind of scared too. So this being the first time that I tried something like this, I thought I would want to do it on my own, even though I have went waxing and I got comfortable with that after a while. But it just seems like something about waxing is easier to get comfortable with than laser hair removal. Like not being able to trust somebody else, I trust myself more than anything. God, they really put this plastic on here. Wait a minute, y'all. I'm gonna be a little country. Pull this over my teeth. Don't do this now. There it goes. That's some thick plastic. Okay. Anyway, so the Luxskin IPL hair removal. I think in the video I saw on Instagram, it comes with its own little set of sunglasses. Suction is real. So this is the packaging. When you first open it up, it comes with this manual and a guarantee card, and it's wrapped in this little plastic. And this is bigger than I thought it would be. Like the massager was smaller than I thought it would be, and this is bigger than I thought it would be. So basically you're supposed to use it on your skin like a light and just do it section by section and remove the hair from the videos that I've seen. But it's cool. It's very lightweight. Comes with its own little charger. And ooh, they lied. There's no sunglasses in here like I seen in the video. But just because I seen that video, I probably will be wearing sunglasses while using this, because I don't want the light to injure my eyes. And recap, back to the massager, it came with its own little charger cord too. It looks like it can hook up into a computer though. Like, y'all see that? The little thing or whatever. But yeah, I'm trying not to make this video long, y'all. I'm gonna do this quick. And because I made those 2 purchases, I spent over $100. I think one of those was like $60 and the other one was like $39 or something like that. Y'all have to go and check because I can't remember the exact balance. I used my credit card to pay for it, and my credit score just went up. So And they gave me this Luxskin cleansing brush for free because I made those 2 purchases. So it came in the basket with it, and I really have been needing a new cleansing brush, so that was very helpful because the old one I had broke, and the second one that I had bought, it was some weird thing going on with the batteries, and I think genuinely I just didn't like to use it anymore because of how it's made up. And ooh, this one comes like with the same charger cord as the massager. Like it can hook up into a computer or whatever. But I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out. We gonna worry about that later. But this is the brush. It's pink, of course. Cause I mean they're women's products, and this is the base that you can put it in. I guess to sit up on the counter. So that's kind of helpful because most brushes don't come with that kind of thing. And I'm not a big fan of pink, but at this point I don't really care. We gonna make it work. It is what it is. I'm gonna put that back in the box, and that's pretty much it, you guys. That's all I wanted to show you today. Like I said, y'all gonna go through this journey with me. Excuse me for making all this extra ass noise, but y'all gonna go through this journey with me. I want to see if these products really work. Y'all gonna start seeing me simultaneously use these. I'll even probably do a couple of videos, you know, recording myself using this. Y'all gonna go through the nitty-gritty with me. I'm gonna get real personal because I feel like not enough YouTubers get real in-depth and personal about the things that they are going through. And if I'm doing this as a review for y'all to eventually see the results, I want y'all to get the real. I want to be as honest and transparent as I can with you guys. So I'm gonna go all in. I'm gonna show y'all everything. Y'all gonna go through this whole process with me. And I'm gonna try to post more videos. I got more content coming soon. Excuse the rain outside if you can hear it, because it's loud as heck. It's raining really hard out there, you guys, and I have to go in this stuff in a minute and go pick up my niece and nephew from school, so bear with me. But that was all I wanted to show you guys. Remember, this video was not sponsored, but Luxskin, you need to sponsor me. But it is not sponsored. So I'm gonna be real honest with you about the products as I'm using them. I'm gonna let y'all know all the pros, all the cons, and everything that's with it, because I spent my hard-earned money on this, like my real cash. I did not get these products for free. So y'all gonna go through this with me. We gonna figure it out. We gonna use these while I go through my weight loss journey. I have more videos that I'm gonna be posting of me doing my daily workouts, where I'm probably mostly just going to be focusing on my stomach, because during this pandemic I have gained more weight than I like to admit, and we need to do something about that, because no snaps. I need to get my hourglass shape back, and we're not having it. I'm too tall to be tall and wide. So but that is all, you guys. I'm not going to make this video long. I'm not going to carry it out any longer than it has to be. I just wanted to give y'all an update on what's going on with me, and I hope that you all will come back, join me again. Thank you for watching this review video. I don't know if I'm gonna call it a review video. I'm probably gonna do like say it's an unboxing, because that's what it was. It was an unboxing. So y'all come back and see me again soon. I know the video might look weird because I'm like looking at myself in the camera, which I heard is like the worst thing to do. I should be looking at the camera to look at you guys, but I don't know. I have to see my face, so to know what's going on, see what I look like, to make sure I don't look crazy on camera. I mean, I like to be raw and authentic, but you know, I can't be being extra, doing too much. Y'all like my eyebrows? If y'all want a tutorial on how I did my eyebrows like this, just comment down below, and I will give y'all a video on that too, because it's really, really easy. And y'all would probably never guess how I did this or made the lines so crisp. Or some of y'all probably would, but hey. But anyway, so that is all, you guys. Thank you again for watching. Come back and see me soon. I'm gonna have more content coming up. Excuse the mess in the background yet again. Y'all like my new lights? Okay, I'm talking too much. So if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, tell me things that you guys want to see, because I'm here for y'all. And that is a wrap. that's all I have to say to y'all. Goodbye. Join my family. I will see you next time. Mwah, mwah. I love you all. Peace. Deuces. Bye.